Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the new concept, Introduction to Graphs. Introduction to Graphs. Graphs are pictorial representation of mathematical data and mathematical relations. Okay, so what is the meaning of the graph? So one of the pictorial representation. Graph gives a visual representation, is it? You see, everyone say the graph paper. Okay, that is a graph gives us a visual representation of numerical values, is it? It like 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay, this like. Okay, so numerical informations. Okay, graph gives us a visual representation of numerical informations. Okay, if we know how to interpret these graphs, we will be able to draw. Okay, we will able to draw a meaningful impression. Meaningful means correct. நமக்கு அது எப்படி வரையணும் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்துச்சுனா. Okay, so meaningful impressions of numerical data by a graph. எப்படி நம்ம கிராஃப்ல ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்றது numerical dataவை அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்துச்சுனா, we have draw the meaningful graph. Okay, so let us learn about the how to draw the meaningful graph, that the interpretation of a graphical representation we will see. Okay, let's see the first one, the number plane. What is mean by number plane? Already we know about the integers, is it? So what is mean by integers? It has a whole numbers with the negative numbers. Okay, how can you draw the number line for the integers? Already you know that, is it? Draw the number line in the middle having the 0, the right side of the number line, all the numbers in positive. Okay, and left side all the numbers in negative. Okay, the same one in a graph is called the number plane. So what is mean by number plane? A line on which distance from a neutral point. What is mean by neutral point? The neutral na ore idha irukradhu. Which one? Origin. The number 0 is called the neutral. Okay, neutral point are numbered in equal units, each having the equal units. Okay, so 1 unit, this also from this to this 1 unit, 2 to this 1 unit, this one to this one, so also 1 unit. Okay, so equal units, positive in one direction. Okay, so left of the 0 negative and right side of the 0 is positive. Okay, so that is given. So positive in one direction and negative in the opposite direction is called the number plane. Okay, so here the 0 is called origin. Okay, here we have considered A. So minus 3 units. Okay, 3 units left of the 0. Okay, so from the 0 to left side of the number minus 3. So A represent the minus 3. Here positive value B. Okay, B represent the positive value from the neutral. Okay, neutral and how many units? 3 units. Okay, move to the 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units. Here also left side of the 0. Okay, 3 units. So here minus 3, here plus 3. Okay, so next we have C. One example related to the number plane. Example 1. Plot the following points on a number plane. Plot the following points on a number plane. The first one, point A is minus 3 is given. Okay, and next one, B, point B is 0, and C, point C is 3. Okay, so first we have to draw the number plane. So first we will put the neutral, that is a 0 origin. Okay, so left side of the origin is negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Right side of the 0, positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. Now plot. The point A is minus 3. So left side from the origin. So how many places we have to move? 3 units from the origin to the left side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So this is A. Okay, and next one, point B is 0. 0 means is origin. So it is denote B. B is an origin. And next point C is 3. So 3 from the origin right side we have to move 3 units. 1, 2, 3. That is a positive value. Okay, so it's denoted C. That's all. Okay, complete this. So what is the definition of number plane? A number line, okay, on which distance from the neutral point, that is neutral point means 0, okay, or numbered in equal units, number in equal units, positive in one direction and negative in the opposite direction is called the number plane. Okay, right. And also we have same one example related to the number plane. Next we will say about the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Everyone write in this unit in a graph note. Okay, first I have write some definition about the number plane. Okay, you have write in a writing area, don't write in a graph page. Okay, so first you will write the date on the margin, after write the title, after write the definition of the number plane, after write the example on that page. Okay, and also you have draw the corresponding left side of the page. Okay, draw the number line for the example. Okay, if you have any doubt in how to draw, where do you draw the graph or number line, and any doubt you will call and ask to me. Okay, right. Now move to the next one of the concept, Cartesian plane. What is mean by Cartesian plane? We have considered two lines, numerical lines or number lines. Okay, two number planes are the same meaning. Okay, two number planes, one in the horizontal, another one we have considered to the vertical line. Okay, first I have draw one vertical line and another one draw the horizontal line. Okay, when two number line intersect at each other at right angle, then it is called the coordinate axis. Then it is called the coordinate axis. Okay, so the number line, as usual, you know that right after is 0, all in positive. Everyone should draw this diagram in a graph side. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -3, -4, -5. Here the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have a lot of numbers. Okay, check well. So one unit having 10 small square boxes had it. Okay, so check it well and carefully mark it. Okay, so in between your line is there. Okay, so compare with these two lines is very dark. Okay, you will count 10 lines. Okay, the dark line is denoted 1. After 10 units, sorry, 10 squares, move to the plot the number 2. After 10 square boxes, move to plot the number 3. Okay, right. And then this also we have carefully draw the middle of the page graph state. Okay, the dark line only you have to draw the axis of y axis. So it's called y dash. Okay, it's called x dash. X dash is called the horizontal axis. Okay, horizontal axis, and y dash is called the y axis. That is a vertical axis. X y dash. Y dash is a vertical axis. Okay, so intersecting of two axes is at right angle at 0. 0 means origin, O. Okay, so the intersecting at the O is called the origin. Okay, so intersecting of two coordinate axes to each other, then it is called that plane is called the Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Why do you said coordinate? Here two axes are there, x and y axis. So two, so coordinate. Ordinate means points. What is mean by ordinate? Ordinate generally mean point. Okay, so coordinate means it has 2 points, x point, x ordinate points, and y points. Okay, so it's called the x and y points are there, so it's called the Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate point plane. Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, then the axis divide into the 4 parts. Okay, so intersecting of two lines. Okay, intersecting of two number lines to each other, then we get the 4 equal parts. Okay, it has called by quadrant. It's called by quadrant. It's called the quadrant. Okay, So Cartesian coordinate plane, okay, that two lines intersect at the origin to each other, then it is called the Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, so each it has four parts. Each parts are called the quadrant. This is called the first quadrant. This is called the first quadrant. This is called the second quadrant. This is called the third quadrant. This is called fourth quadrant. Okay, so the direction is anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Okay, start from the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, the two lines intersect, it make four quadrants. Okay, the first quadrants, in the first quadrants, both of the ordinates values in positive. Both of the ordinates, the points in positive. Okay, here second quadrant. In a second quadrant, the x-axis is negative, the y-axis is positive. Okay, here the third quadrant, the both axis in negative. Okay, and a fourth quadrant, x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. Okay, these are the signs of these quadrants. Okay, so first quadrants, both of that numbers in positive, and second quadrant both different. Okay, so first one x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. Here both of them in negative, and the fourth one is positive, another one is negative. In order per, this type of numbers are called ordered per. Okay, 4, 3. Okay, this is one of the point. Okay, so 4, 3 is called the ordered per. Ordered per. Okay, ordered per. Okay, so the first one of the number represent the x-axis, x coordinate point, and second one represent the y coordinate point. Second one represent the y coordinate point. Okay, so x-axis called the another one of the name abscissa, and y is called ordinate. Okay, so x coordinate is called the abscissa, and y coordinate is called the ordinate. Okay, so that's all the Cartesian plane. Okay, we will write the clear point out now. Now listen, one graphical side you have to draw this diagram like this. Okay, divide into two lines to each other, intersect to each other at O. Okay, it make a right angle. Okay, and also you have write the first, second, third, fourth quadrant, and also you have to write the coordinate points of the signs plus, minus, minus, plus, minus. Okay, these are all you have to draw in a left side. Okay, left side of that graph side. Okay, and next one, the corresponding right side, you have write these are all the points. Okay, the first one, when two numbers line are drawn perpendicular to each other, they are called coordinate axes. It's called the coordinate axis. Is it? When two number lines are drawn perpendicular to each other. Okay, perpendicular, so 90 degree, so right angle. Okay, so it's called the coordinate axis. The horizontal line is x dash is called the x-axis, is called the x-axis. Okay, and it's the coordinates is called the abscissa, that coordinate points. Is it? So 4, 5. So which one is abscissa here? 4 is the abscissa. Okay, the coordinate points is called the abscissa. And third one, the vertical number line y dash is called the y-axis. Is called the y-axis. Okay, right? And then in the y coordinate 5 is called the ordinate. Okay, and fourth one, the point O. Okay, where both the axes intersect each other at right angle. Okay, it is called origin. Okay, these are all right in the right side. Okay, so writing place, you should draw the graph like this. Okay, next point I will write. See the next point, the plane in which two lines intersect each other at right angle is called the Cartesian plane. It's called a Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, so the two number lines intersect at 90 degree, a perpendicular. Okay, that plane is called the Cartesian plane or Cartesian coordinate plane. Why do you call coordinate? It has 2 points x and y. Okay, so it's called the coordinate plane. Okay, next one, the ordinate axis. Okay, the coordinate axis divide a Cartesian plane into 4 regions, 4 parts. Is it? It's made of 4 parts. It is called the quadrant. It is called the quadrant. Okay. It has named as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, the first quadrant having the both ordinates in positive. Okay, second quadrant, the one coordinate in negative, another one is positive, and third quadrant, both ordinates in negative, and fourth quadrant, the one is positive, another one is negative. Okay, that's it. See the next one, the order of the numbers inside the bracket is very important one. Okay, so every point we have to within a bracket, the parenthesis. Okay, so each point we should represent within a bracket. 4, 2. Any kind of points you have to write or you have to plot in a graph, you should represent within a bracket, within a parenthesis. Okay, so that is very, very important one. We call that pair. Okay, we call that pair as ordered pairs. Okay. Example 4, 5. This is one of the order pair. 3, 2. This is another one of the order pair. Okay, order pairs. And 4, minus 5. These are the ordered pairs. Okay, so any kind of ordered pairs you have represent within a bracket. Okay, that's it. Now move to the next one of the concept, how to plot the points, how to plot the coordinate points in a graph. Let us see. Next you will see the plotting a point in a Cartesian plane. Okay, so first we have draw the vertical and horizontal line. Number line we have draw. Okay, intersecting of the two number line, it's denoted by origin O. Okay, right. Now we have write the axis name x dash. You should write every time. Okay, x dash, x axis. Okay, and then here write y dash, here write y. Okay, here write y axis. Okay, these are all every time you should write in a graphical place. Okay, graphical sheet you should write. And one more thing is very, very important, scale. Scale is very, very important one. Okay, so it has how many square boxes? 10 square boxes. Okay, so in x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, in y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here we have considered one unit only we have considered. Okay, so sometimes we have take 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Okay, you know that the scale measurement. Okay, so 1 centimeter, how many millimeters? 10 millimeter. Okay, so the same procedure also here followed. Okay, so in x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We have considered 1 unit is 2 unit. This one is 3 units. It's 4 units. Okay, right. So here we have considered only 1 unit. Okay, next these are we have write in each and every graph. Okay, so what are we have to write? The origin and number line, x-axis x dash, y dash, and x-axis y-axis. Okay, right. And also should write the scale. Okay, should write the scale. Now for example, let us we have considered the plot the number a of 3, 5 and b of -4, 7 and c of -5, 8 and d of -5, -7. Okay, and e of 7, -5, f 8, minus. Okay, right. Here it is the in x-axis. Yes, 8, -6. Okay, that we have considered these points how to plot in a Cartesian plane. Okay, see the first one, a of 3, 5. So the x coordinate point is 3. Okay, so 3 is positive number. 3 is a positive number. See the x-axis, which one is positive? The right side of the 0. Okay, right side of the 0 is positive. Okay, so here move to the 3 points here. Okay, so 3. Okay, 3. The y point is, y coordinate point is 5. So where is 5? Here. For your understanding, I will draw the line. You also first time you will draw that intersecting at the point is denoted by A. Just you have to put small point, okay, and round up, and nearest write A of 3, 5. Okay, right. And next one, B of -4, 7. So -4, the x coordinate value is -4. Where is -4? There, here. Okay, so y coordinate point is 7. So positive value of 7. Okay, so you will draw from here to -7. Okay, the intersecting at the point is denoted by B of -4, 7. Okay, very clear? Now move to the next one, C of -5, 8. Okay, we will put the dotted line or using the straight line. Okay, right. -5, 8. Where is the x-axis negative? The left side of the 0. Okay, left side of the 0. Okay, so -5, where is it? Here. And next one, 8 is given. Okay, so positive value 8 is given. So the point plotted here in this place, okay, from -5, okay. So start from here, H. So that point denoted by C of -5, 8. Okay, and next draw -5, -7. So where is -5 here? So -7 in y axis. Where is -7 here? So we have considered -4. Okay. So where is -4 here? Okay. So here the diagram below of the horizontal line. Okay, that point is noted by D of -5, -4. Okay, and next one E of 7, -5. So x value is 7. Okay, y value is negative of 5. Okay, so -5. So 7 first represent the x axis, x coordinate point. So 7, -5. It's named as E. Okay. So E of 7, -5. And next one F 8, -6. Where is 8? X value is 8 is here. Okay. And y value is -6. Okay. So we have considered, you have a lot of number. Okay. We'll draw up to end of that page. Okay, right. So I have considered in this place is -6. So I have draw the distance. Is it from 8 unit from the right side of the origin and -6 below of the horizontal line. Okay, mark it. It is denoted F 8, -6. So first coordinate point represent the x axis and second coordinate point represent the y axis. So first we will see the x axis first. So x value is positive. So you see the right side of the origin. Okay, right side of the origin. I will mark that and corresponding see the y axis. Correspondingly see the y axis and mark that point A of 3, 5. How can you write this? Order pair of 3, 5. Ordered pairs. Okay, that's it. I hope you understood how to plot the points in a Cartesian plane. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask it out to me. Okay, right. Okay, what we have learned today? Today we have learned about the Cartesian plane and how to plot the points in a Cartesian plane. Is it? So how to plot the Cartesian plane? So it has two points, coordinate points. First one is represent the x axis, second one represent the y axis. Okay, so first we have draw the perpendicular number line. Okay, and mark all the numbers and intersecting at O origin. Okay, after write the scale. Okay, after write the axis x dash, it's denoted by x axis, and y dash is denoted by y axis. Okay, and then we have to plot the point, corresponding points we have to plot it. Okay, and before we have learned what are the main things in a Cartesian plane. Is it? It has 4 quadrants. It has 4 quadrants. Is it? It's named as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. It's calculated in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, the first quadrant having the both values in positive. Second quadrant is the x value is negative and y value is positive. In the third quadrant, the both ordinates are negative. Okay, and fourth quadrant, so x value is positive and y value is negative. Okay, these are all we have learned. I hope you are understood this concept. Okay, the homework, exercise 16.1. First one, second, third, fifth. Okay, these are the homeworks. Everyone should complete. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.